When you invest, you want one thing: returns. So let's break it down. At Viking Capital, our investors have historically seen some pretty substantial returns. But how do these returns compare to the stock market and bonds? Let's dive in. Over the years, our deals have consistently delivered 15 to 18% IRR, 1.8 times to 2.1 times equity multiples, and 6 to 8% cash-on-cash returns. But don't just take my word for it. Hear from the thousands of investors we've worked with over the years who've seen firsthand the kind of returns that make a real difference in their portfolios. Now, let's talk about stocks and bonds for a minute. Historically, the stock market can deliver some high returns, but is also highly volatile. We've all seen it, big swings up and down, and you're left wondering where your money is going, and you don't get the tax benefits you would get in real estate. On the other hand, bonds are generally safe, but offer relatively low returns, usually around 2 to 4% annually. And with inflation eating away at the value of those returns, it's hard to build long-term wealth with just stocks and bonds. Now, compare that to multifamily real estate. Real estate has historically shown a steady, reliable increase in value. Even through economic downturns, multifamily properties have stood the test of time. And with increased mentorship and the cost of housing, this is more true than ever. With multifamily investments, you're not relying on the ups and downs of the market. You get solid returns driven by predictable cash flow and consistent property value appreciation. And at Viking Capital, we implement a value add strategy, ensuring your investment grows in a way that stock and bond markets can't match. Here's an example. Take two investors. One relies on traditional stocks and bonds for retirement savings, while the other invests in multifamily real estate. The stock and bond investor is left worrying about market fluctuations and uncertain future returns. In contrast, the real estate investor sees stable, compounding wealth with both cash flow and appreciation contributing to long-term growth. This is the power of real estate and why it's become the go-to choice for thousands of investors looking for stable, predictable returns. So, what kind of returns can you expect with us at Viking Capital? As I mentioned earlier, our deals typically offer 15 to 18% IRR, a 1.8x to 2.1x equity multiple, and a 6 to 8% cash-on-cash return, depending on which class you choose to invest in. These returns are backed by the strength of our team's expertise and a proven risk-adjusted strategy. With years of experience and a track record of success, Viking Capital has helped thousands of investors achieve the kind of returns they can rely on for long-term wealth. Want to see what your returns could look like? Schedule a free strategy session with our team today, and we'll walk you through your goals and how we can help you build a stable, profitable portfolio with multifamily real estate.